Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have COROS Pace 4 and today I'm going to show you how to change the straps on this watch. So let's get started. If you want to change the straps on your watch, first you will need to remove the old ones, and to do that, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on. And basically to remove the strap you pull on this lever towards the middle of the strap, like this, and then take out the strap. Because when you pull on the lever, you basically retract one of the pins. It allows you to pull out the strap. Let me show you like this. See, the pin retracts. You have two pins on each side, and they're locked into a hole right here on the watch. And once you retract one of the pins, it lets you to basically pull out the strap. And here we have the straps and our watch. And once you decide to put the straps on, or you get new straps and you want to put them on, you grab the strap, you take the side opposite from the lever, you insert it in a hole on the watch, like this. Then you pull on the lever, retract the pin, align it, release it, it will click in. Once it does, it will hold. Quite simple, quite well working mechanism. Same for the other one. Pull on the lever, align it, release it, and it will click in. Okay. And here we have our watch and our straps attached, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.